Unlock the secrets of spiritual wellness and supercharge your energy flow. When we talk about energy flow, we are referring to vibrational frequency that runs through our entire being, connecting our physical, mental, and spiritual selves. In this video, discover the powerful techniques to boost your energy levels, quiet your mind, and connect with your inner self, learning how to cultivate the deeper sense of balance, harmony, and inner peace, and then unlock your full potential. Whether you're feeling drained, stuck, or simply seeking a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you, this video is for you. Get ready to elevate your spiritual practice and amplify your energy and unlock your life of vitality and purpose. Hi, my name is Rupa. If you're new here and this resonates, I strongly recommend you to subscribe to my channel Magnetize Self, where we explore the art of self awareness, self healing, and personal transformation. If you are revisiting, welcome and thank you. It is essential for maintaining overall well being, and it's what allows us to feel alive, inspired, and connected to the higher purpose. Without a healthy energy flow, we can feel drained, stuck, disconnected from the world around us. We all face obstacles that can disrupt our energy flow, whether it's stress from work or daily life, negative thoughts or emotions, or healthy lifestyles choices. Sometimes it's the relationships we are in or the environment we are surrounded ourselves with that can suck the life out of us. We might feel like we are constantly running on empty without gas left in the tank to pursue our passions and dreams. When we are stuck in this state, it's easy to feel like we are just going through the motions and without any sense of purpose or direction. Many of us turn to external sources to try to boost our energy, whether it's a cup of tea or coffee, a sugary snack, or a quick workout. But the problem is, these temporary fixes only mask the symptoms without getting to the root of the issue. We need to look deeper and address the underlying cause of our energy drain if we want to experience real lasting change. Whether it's unresolved emotional trauma, poor sleep habits, or a lack of self care, we need to be willing to confront the things that are holding us back and making us feel stuck. By acknowledging and addressing these obstacles, we can start to clear the path for our energy to flow freely once again. We can start to feel more inspired, more motivated, and more connected to our own inner self. Meditation is an incredible tool for boosting energy and the energy flow. It helps to quiet the mind and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Yoga can also be incredibly helpful as it combines physical movement with deep breathing and meditation techniques. And speaking of breathing, conscious breathwork or the pranayama can be a powerful way to calm the nervous system and get our energy flowing. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can start to feel more grounded, more centered, and more connected to our spiritual self. The more I have worked on these practices or with these practices, the more I have worked with these practices, the more I have come to realize just how interconnected they are. When we meditate, we are not just quieting the mind, we are also calming the nervous system and preparing the body for a deeper state of relaxation. When we practice yoga, we are not just stretching the body, we are also cultivating greater flexibility in the mind and spirit. When we focus on our breath, we are not just oxygenating our body, we are also bringing ourselves back to present moment where all healing and growth occur as we are grounded. One of the most powerful insights I have gained on my own energy is the importance of self love and self acceptance in boosting energy flow. When we are able to love and accept ourselves exactly as we are, we open ourselves to receive more love and energy from the universe. We start to feel more worthy, more deserving, and more connected to our own higher purpose. And as we do it, we begin to radiate this energy outward, attracting more positivity and abundance in our lives. By incorporating these practices into our lives routine, we can start to experience a profound shift in our energy flow and in our overall well being. We can start to feel more alive, more inspired, and more connected to our spiritual selves too. And as we do, we will start to notice the ripple effect that this has on every area of our lives, from our relationships to our careers and everything in between. So, my dear one, remember, nurturing your energy flow is essential for maintaining spiritual wellness. By incorporating practices like meditation, yoga, and conscious breath work into your daily routine, you can start to boost your energy flow and experience greater vitality, inspiration, and connection to your spiritual self. If you found this video helpful, be sure that you share your own experience, tips, and insights in the comments below, and I would love to read them. Don't forget to check out another video on the similar lines that has been published on this channel, Magnetize Self. Before you move on, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, Magnetize Self, share this video, make sure that you like and leave your comments. Thank you so much for your time and watching this video until now, and loads of love until next time. Thank you so much.